Hi there, and welcome to 750 Score. My name is Brandon, aka Mr. Credit Approved. Hopefully, at this point, you've made the decision to start on your path to good credit. So, let me walk you through the steps. On the screen now, you will see my website, my.750score.com. Go here, read over it, make sure to watch the videos because it'll give you more insight on the process and who we are and what we do. Okay? After that, scroll down to these two steps. Ready for good credit? Let's start below with steps 1 and 2. First step in the program is to pull your credit. That way we can see exactly what's showing on your credit and give you insight of what we can do, and also give you tips on things that you can do on your own, regardless if you go through our program to help your credit. Now, this credit report is only $1 initially with a 7-day trial. After that, if you decide to keep it, it's $29.95 or $29.99 monthly, and it'll show you all through credit bureaus and your scores. So you'll be able to see movement on your credit. Now, mind you, it's not going to show you accurate, real scores, meaning it's not going to be the same if you go and try to get a car or a house, but it will show you all the negative items on your credit, so you will be able to see movement at that point. All right, so that's $1. The second step is the credit analysis. We do charge $39.95 for our time up front, but it's only charged if you decide that you're unable to start the program that day. All right, so it's $39.95 for the credit analysis and $1 for the credit report. I'll show you now what the sites look like. So when you pull your credit, you go here, fill out the information, and you can see it right here. It says trial 7 days for $1, meaning you get everything on your credit and your scores, not your real scores, but it'll show you roughly where you are for $1. And that's a 7-day trial. So if you don't want it, make sure you cancel that. All right. But I do recommend you keep it. If not this one, get another one because it will show you, the negative things on your credit, and you can see movement. If you're serious about your credit, you definitely want to keep a credit monitoring. All right. And the other one was the credit analysis. So on this one, when you fill out the information, there's one part I need you to pay attention to. All right. When you get down here for the credit analysis, put your quantity. If you're only one person doing it, you put 1. If you're a spouse, you put 2, or however many people that you're trying to get this credit analysis for. But most people, let's just do a 1. All right. And right here it says, would you like to try a 30-day trial? If you just want to do the credit analysis, you make sure you click no. So they'll drop it down to $39.95. You fill it out, click submit. And when you're done, all that information will come to us. We'll look over your credit report and see exactly how we can help you and give you tips on things that you can do on your own to better your credit. All right. Well, we'll see you on that side. Have a great day.